And now moving on to the currency space, Goldman Sachs said in a report today that the Indian rupee will fall 2% in the current quarter and should be avoided as the economic recovery is faltering. The rupee is currently holding at a 3-week low. For more on the rupee, we are now joined by Pramit, who is the CEO at Alpari Forex. Mr. Brahmbhatt, can you please tell us what's your take on the rupee? Do you still think an appreciation looks possible from these 47 levels?
Sure. If you look at the rupee from the Indian angle, the domestic economy is doing good. We have a good GDP forecast as well as the monsoon is more or less on time and is doing well. So domestically, rupee has no issues in terms of growth. But if you look at the global markets are not doing good. Euro has an ongoing crisis as well as US is having contractions of the crisis. So that's what making the global economy nervous, and that's causing the weakness in the Asian currency, and rupee is one of the worst affected currencies as of now in the Asian market.
Well, sir, Goldman Sachs says that the Indian rupee is going to drop 2% in the current quarter. What is your own view on this?
Well, I would say that we are seeing rupee between 46 to 47 range in the coming existing quarter, and take for the last quarter for the calendar will be taken after the end of September.
And do you think the rupee is likely to be the worst performer for this financial year?
If you look at in terms of the Asian currency, I would say no, because we have a strong economy data coming from the domestic markets. I wouldn't say that rupee will be the worst in the Asian market, but it can be one of the worst in terms of the Asian currencies, because if the global clues are not good, Asian currency are the worst hit.
All right, Mr. Brahmbhatt, thank you so much for joining us. Let's also...